working with large chain spaces. Now sometimes your pattern, whichever it is, will have a large chain space, and then you'll have instructions about working with that chain space. Now when it tells you to work in front of the chain space, there's a very simple trick. It basically means that you're going to be working in the stitches below with the chain out of the way. Now, did you see what I did there? This is what I tend to do. I tend to stick my finger in there if I can, if I've got a free finger, so that I cannot accidentally snag it, and then I work into my stitches. So you then, once you've pushed your chain out of there, you can fold it, but I do tend to find that sometimes with folding it slips back up and you can catch it, you can see it through. You might accidentally still catch it, and you don't want to catch it. Okay, you want it out of the way completely. If you can get that finger in back there, so much the better. And then you work your stitches as per the pattern. I'm just going to make, because I might make a couple of double crochet into here, just for the height. They will usually be a taller stitch than what you've been doing up to that point, usually. But you know, consult your pattern. I'm just showing you the techniques here. So here's the last one. I've got to make absolutely sure I don't catch it. Push it right out of the way, get my last stitch, make my stitch, and then stop and look. Now, because you've worked in front of the chain, you should have this. You should have a completely unanchored chain at the back. If that's what your designer wants you to do, that's what you should be doing. See that? Completely free, not snagged at all. Right, so that's that one. Very easy. Working in front of a chain space, however long it may be. Sometimes it could be one chain, sometimes it could be 20. Just do whatever the pattern tells you. That's working in front with an unattached chain. Simple.